Hi, my name is Patrick with J&M Pool Company, and we're here at one of our most recent projects we just finished. As you look behind me, we have a cabana above our heads here, outdoor lighting, fans for circulation, a custom outdoor kitchen that's built perfectly for every customer. One of our pavilions, we have automatic screens that can give you the capability of having a complete enclosure. And what's inside of it is a fire table, adds a nice element of heat as well as design to this backyard. Another unique element to this backyard is the custom fire bowls that we have here. These help break up the landscape, break up the hardscape, and add a nice ambiance to the backyard. This backyard is laced with about 14 different landscape speakers, 2 subwoofers that all hook up to the TV to give you a nice sound around your whole backyard. Another layer of fire features that we like to add on our projects are Tempest Torches. Tempest Torches are unlike any other fire feature in the fact that they have a spiraling effect with the flame. Pergola that we have designed on this job. Stone skirts around each of the posts, lighting package as well. Nice sitting area beside the pool. On this project, we worked together with the homeowner to create a backyard that was not only inviting to them, but to their guests as well. These are all things that we can do aside from pools to bring your backyard to life.